Good morning friends. Today we are going to learn how to find the principal values of the following. The first question is sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Okay, sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Let y equal to sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Okay, let sine inverse minus 1 by 2 equal to y. Okay, then that implies sin y equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, since the value of sin inverse x is the range or the principal value lies between minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. So this particular value should belong to this region. Okay, so this can be written as sin y equal to minus sin, what is the value of 1 by 2 here? Sin 30. So sin pi by 6. But we know that sine of minus theta equal to minus sin theta. We know that sine of minus theta equal to minus sin theta. So this minus sin pi by 6 is in this form. So we can write this in sin y equal to sine of minus pi by 6 as per this statement. Okay, minus sin theta equal to sine of minus theta. So minus sin pi by 6 equal to sine of minus pi by 6. Okay, so this implies the principal value is minus pi by 6. Okay, so this is about the first question. The principal value of sine inverse minus 1 by 2 is minus pi by